Bear call spreads. A bear call spread is made up of only call options. You buy a call with one strike price and write or sell another call with the same underlying stock, the same expiration month, but a lower strike price. This position is a credit spread because you'll always receive more cash for the short call than you pay for the long call. You'll always receive a net credit to establish it. All right, here's an example. Buy one XYZ June 60 call at $3. Sell one XYZ June 55 call at $6.50. We would like to thank you for taking the time to watch the videos that we have put together for you today. Take a look and subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Instagram, our Facebook page, and reach out if you have additional questions. We would love to hear from you. Check out our website for more information. Go to www.optiontradersnetwork.com. Thanks so much.